Most drivers have no idea these incredible car gadgets even do exist. Some can prevent expensive repairs. Others make every drive safer, smarter, and far more comfortable. Stay until end because number 1 pick transforms almost any car into a futuristic vehicle. Number 12. eSamcore MagSafe Car Mount. A loose phone sliding around your dashboard is both annoying and dangerous. The eSamcore MagSafe Car Mount keeps your phone exactly where you need it. Powerful N52 magnets create an incredibly secure grip even on rough roads, sudden stops, and sharp corners. The flexible memory alloy arm lets you adjust the perfect viewing angle for navigation or hands-free calls. Installation takes only moments, and the clean design blends naturally into almost any interior. If you rely on your phone, every time you drive, this mount delivers a safer, cleaner, and much more enjoyable driving experience without unnecessary clutter. Number 11. Fanttik Slim V10 Apex Cordless Car Vacuum. Keeping your car spotless no longer requires dragging out a bulky vacuum. The Fanttik Slim V10 Apex is compact enough to fit inside your glove box, yet powerful enough to tackle dust crumbs, pet hair, and sand with ease. It does far more than vacuum too. With interchangeable attachments, it can blow debris from tight spaces, inflate small items, and even compress storage bags. The smart digital display clearly shows battery life and power mode, so you always know when it is ready to work. Lightweight, portable, and incredibly versatile, this is one cleaning gadget every car owner will appreciate after the very first use. Number 10. If you take pride in keeping your car looking its best, the MJJC Foam Cannon V3 will completely change wash day. It connects to most pressure washers and covers your vehicle in thick, rich foam that clings to dirt before you even touch the paint. The upgraded design uses less soap while creating denser foam, saving both time and money. A wide adjustable spray pattern makes it easy to clean everything from compact cars to large trucks. Built with durable materials and a stable bottle, it turns an ordinary wash into a satisfying professional detailing experience right at home. Number 9. NORSHIRE Tire Inflator. A flat tire can ruin your day, but the NORSHIRE Tire Inflator helps you get back on the road in minutes. Built with a durable metal body, it feels far more premium than typical plastic inflators. The bright OLED display shows real-time pressure, while the automatic stop function prevents overinflation. It delivers up to 175 psi, making it suitable for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, sports equipment, and more. The rechargeable battery means you can use it almost anywhere without searching for a power source. Compact, powerful, and easy to operate, this is one emergency tool you will be glad to have when unexpected problems appear. Number 8. Anker Roav Bolt. Imagine controlling your music navigation and messages without ever taking your hands off the wheel. The Anker Roav Bolt brings Google Assistant to almost any vehicle through a simple dual USB charger. Just say, "Hey Google," to get directions, make calls, send texts, check traffic, or play your favorite playlist using only your voice. The built-in microphones capture commands clearly even while driving, and the extra USB port keeps another device charging at the same time. It is one of the easiest ways to make an older vehicle feel smarter, safer, and much more convenient without replacing the factory stereo. Number 7. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3. Accidents happen when you least expect them, and having clear video evidence can make all the difference. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3 hides discreetly behind your rearview mirror while continuously recording your journey in impressive quality. Voice control lets you save important clips without taking your hands off the wheel, while the companion app makes reviewing footage simple. Park and Guard can even monitor your vehicle when you are away, giving extra peace of mind. Small enough to stay almost invisible, yet packed with useful features, this tiny camera provides valuable protection every time you head out on the road. Number 6. HUD GPS Speedometer. Looking down at your dashboard for just a second can be enough to miss something important. The HUD GPS Speedometer keeps your eyes where they belong by projecting essential driving information directly into your line of sight. It displays real-time speed navigation prompts and useful driving data on the windshield, creating a modern cockpit feel without modifying your vehicle. The bright display remains easy to read during both day and night, while reducing the need to constantly glance away from the road. It is a simple upgrade that improves awareness, adds convenience, and makes every drive feel smarter, safer, and more enjoyable. Number 5. E-HEELP Electric Car Jack Kit. Changing a tire on the side of the road is never fun, especially in bad weather or at night. The E-HEELP Electric Car Jack Kit takes the hard work out of the job. With the press of a button, the 5-ton electric jack quickly lifts most sedans, SUVs, and pickup trucks. The included electric impact wrench removes lug nuts in seconds, while the built-in tire inflator helps you get moving again. Bright LED lights improve visibility during nighttime emergencies, and multiple safety protections ensure reliable operation. When every minute matters, this all-in-one roadside kit can become your best travel companion. Number 4. CarlinKit 5.0 Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto Adapter. If plugging in your phone every time you drive feels outdated, the CarlinKit 5.0 is the upgrade you've been waiting for. It instantly converts wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto into a seamless wireless connection. Simply plug it into your vehicle's USB port, pair your phone once, and enjoy automatic connectivity every time you start the engine. Navigation, music calls, and messages appear without touching a cable. The improved wireless technology delivers faster response, fewer dropouts, and smooth performance in compatible vehicles. It is one of the easiest upgrades that makes your daily commute feel cleaner, smarter, and far more convenient. Number 3. Rigid Adapt LED Light Bars. When the road disappears into complete darkness, ordinary headlights can only do so much. The Rigid Adapt LED light bars are built for drivers who demand maximum visibility on every adventure. Using advanced active view technology, they automatically adjust the beam pattern based on your speed, giving you wider coverage at lower speeds and longer range as you drive faster. With 8 intelligent lighting modes, every trail, highway, or back road becomes easier to navigate. Built to handle harsh weather, dust, and heavy vibration, these premium light bars deliver outstanding performance whether you are overlanding, off-roading, or simply driving where standard lighting is not enough. Number 2. MUCAR 682 AI OBD2 Scanner. Dashboard warning lights can leave most drivers guessing, but the MUCAR 682 AI OBD2 Scanner gives you answers within seconds. Plug it into your vehicle, and it performs full system diagnostics far beyond basic code readers. Its built-in AI explains fault codes and simple language recommends possible fixes and helps you understand what needs immediate attention. With support for more than 20 reset functions, CAN-FD vehicles, and CSGW access, it works with a huge range of modern cars. Instead of paying for unnecessary workshop visits, you can diagnose problems yourself, save money, and drive with far greater confidence. Number 1. CB6C AI Box CarPlay. Imagine turning your factory infotainment system into a powerful Android tablet without replacing a single part. That is exactly what the CB6C AI Box CarPlay delivers. It converts wired CarPlay and Android Auto into a fast wireless connection while unlocking Google Apps, streaming services, online navigation, and intelligent AI features including ChatGPT, voice assistants, ask questions, control music, plan routes, or enjoy your favorite entertainment completely hands-free. The smooth, responsive interface makes every journey feel modern, connected, and effortless. If you only upgrade one thing in your car this year, this futuristic gadget delivers the biggest transformation for the money. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.